Hi Cancer, this is your channel messages for the 20th of October. I am your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Cancer, you know that Capricorn is the daddy. Addy and my daddy who want vex, right? So you don't know if Capricorn is the daddy, Cancer have to be the mommy. So mommy, can you just listen to what daddy has said a little bit? Him say, from the first word, second word, third word, want to be the teacher's pet, all the gal them love it so. Woman a Jamaica, woman a Caribbean, woman where I don't go. But teacher only have one art. Until they do what I'm getting, are you the teacher's pet? Are you the teacher's pet? Cancer, Jesus Christ. Different type of girl from all over the world. Want to be the teacher's pet. Anything teacher wants, teacher get. You should know that. You should know this. The teacher always get the reddest apple. The teacher always have a clean decks, okay? So I don't know if you're trying to be one of many girls competing for someone's love, or me getting reboot. We need a reboot. No, we don't know how we'll get the reboot if Sidem is here. So them will not allow cartel or any other cheese, which is fair. So them, you want him fair and square. You want him when he was in prison. So we understand that to them. Nevertheless, entertainment is entertainment. So I'm getting something about the teacher's pet. Or I'm getting you're asking, who is the owner for this dog? You want to know who the owner is? You don't want to know who owns the Clark dog? Let me tell you who owns it. Anything teacher want, teacher get. You want to be the teacher's pet? Oh, the girls them love him so. Okay, let's go. Let's go ahead into your 4-card reading. Now, if we're reading about your love life with cartel, that would be non-existent. So I don't even have to read this, but let us read and see what else comes up. So let's see what your person is into. You want a pet? That's what you want a pet. You see, like you want a pet, you want a good boy, you want a good girl. I don't know what kind of pet you want. Maybe you want somebody to just follow you around. You want a golden retriever boyfriend? You want a Labrador girlfriend? You want a pit bull girlfriend? You're looking for a Rottweiler boyfriend? I don't know what you're looking for. But all I know that it may be belong to the teacher. Let's go. What is your person? Your person, 2 of Cups. I'm getting your person is a Pisces. Now, you might be acquainted with them, but I'm getting it's a while since you've spoken to them. So you might want to reach out to a Pisces. I'm getting Leo also. Now, your physical or sexual connection to this person is a 4 of Cups. So you might think someone is a bit boring, or them like for the things alone. Anything them do it alone. Them don't go out into a bar and do it. Them don't go out in public and do it. Them always a homebody. Them stay home. Maybe I like this. Somebody could also have a drinking problem though. So maybe that's something you want to talk to them about. But either way, me getting physically and sexually, you're attracted to the person because the person is a homebody. I'm getting someone doesn't go out and party. Them party inside them house where them can fall asleep and pass out in them bed. Someone's not big on crowds. Your emotional or spiritual connection is the Hierophant. You love that. I'm getting you love that. At least you know where somebody will be for majority of your marriage. Them are there in the yard. You will not have arguments about why are you going girls' night out? Why are you going with friends? You can't dress that way that you don't look good. I'm getting someone is going to be someone don't care about company anyways. Now there's 3 more cups, giving him a cup even though he is already drinking a cup. So maybe this is something about you getting you keep a goat with your friend them, or these friends around, them are not your friend. These handlers around you, them want you drink. Because I'm getting you a drink and them still a give you. So I don't know, maybe the man where you're there with a try to force you for drink, or the girl you're there with a try to force you for drink. But me getting something, maybe you're not a drinker, you're not a smoker, there's something you don't do morally, and somebody keep a force you to do it, because you're there with them. Them keep a force you to drink with them. Or they must say, oh, you're boring, you don't drink. Okay, let's see how boring I am when I take a man. You think because I'm boring because I don't drink? You should see how excited I am when your man feels like I like him. That's what you should see. What is your long-term outcome? Now maybe somebody think you're religious, why you don't drink. Me getting the reason why you don't drink is because you are this prototype. You're the Hierophant. You cannot be drinking for fun. You drink to evoke spirits. That's why you drink. You don't drink to have fun. The long-term outcome is a Queen of Wands. Now this could be you. Me getting Aries, Leo, Sagittarius again. So you could be a Pisces with a Aries, Leo, Sagittarius woman. I'm getting you married a drinker, you married a drunk. Somebody who will not put down the buckle, won't. I'm getting you even try to get the church involved to help them. I'm getting you married to a drunk, you're married to somebody who keep a drink all the time, and then people want you for drink too. Now, if that's not it, I'm getting it's been a while since you've seen this person, they have completely sobered up now. I'm getting somebody is they're more serious, they're more militant. And kind of somebody might think you're religious why you don't want to drink. Me getting in order for this relationship to work out, there's no drinking. I'm not gonna say no drinking, but me getting someone's not a drinker. You're not gonna get them to drink more than one time for the month or one time every 3 months. Me getting that's the only way the relationship will work. Or that is an oath that somebody already took to them grave. They will not be caught up in intoxication, alcoholic intoxication. I getting that was a deal they make with whoever pack them make it with. So now you're dating women and them want drink, and you're not a bar person, you don't drink, and them is like, suck with this person. Or them kind of, okay, just come, you don't have to drink, but when you're there, them appreciate you for drink. I getting you already made an oath. I don't know if you make it the oath with the church, or you make it your moral oath. I getting you don't drink. That's one thing you don't do. But I getting the people that you're there with do. So there's an obvious segregation. And I mean, when you're sober watching somebody who drinks, seeing how they don't have control of their body, I don't think it makes you even want to be with them. I think somebody wants to get you intoxicated so that you can overlook a lot of things that's going to be happening during the night. So, yeah. We have awards. We have one wave. Little Addy, watch your road, pre everybody. Little Chrissy, watch your road, pre everybody. Enough hypocrite, don't like your sister. Them a move sly, we a rabbi. And make sure say you're reading on your habits. One get tattoo, don't trust man just through them up. Man run program wicked, who will like ice another day in the office. Chrissy, listen me. Don't be no gun girl. Me we do the killing and pile dead body. Alright? Left summer road for the baggage. Hard and sick man savage. Bulby, I got that. Anyway, oh far lock that. Delacree, Robin Road we lock that. Walton Park, we live life on a one way up. Alright? Something is one-sided. We have use protection. We have the Wheel of Fortune. We have enemy, and we have hidden prisons. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, goodbye.